Alright, so I decided to just make a tutorial. I figured that would be easier to do, like a little video walkthrough to explain how I made it. So basically how I started was by making the background of the classroom. So to kind of customize it, there are like, you can look for like backgrounds and just have like a regular like background. But I wanted to I didn't really like any of those, so I kind of customized it. So the floor here, I just like Googled wood floor and I kind of fit it to the shape that I wanted. And then for the top section here, I really liked the like design of like geometric wall paintings, and so I actually found that if you Google wallpaper, then it gives you a really cool design that you can repeat. So like this is one image and then that's the next one. So you can kind of repeat the image to make it however big you need it to be. And then I added in a whiteboard and a shelf. So for those things, I just Googled like whiteboard shelf. But then a lot of the images that I was wanting had like the white border around them. So how I got rid of that is I found this website, remove.bg, and you just upload your image, and then once it goes through, you can download it and it doesn't have that border anymore, and so then it looks like this. You can move it around however you need. Okay, and then for the links, so I have linked over here, I have the Pueblo High School website, so I just took a quick image of this logo, sort of looks like a book on the shelf over here. Once I put that image in, if you right click on the image, this comes up, and you want to find, actually maybe click on it once, just kidding. Click on it once, and then let's see how it looks without the link. So I want to show you how to insert that link. Remove link, there we go. Okay, so we click on it. Oh, I remember where it was. Haha, okay. Up here, it says insert link, and then you can insert the link to your school's website, to like the grading system, or whatever you need. So then they can just click on like the little books to go to the links that they need. Another thing that you might want to do is link to another slide. So if you have something like your class norms on a different slide, you might want to link to those. So I just put it in this cute little text box just by adding a shape and then adding some text to it. And I kind of wanted to choose a little theme for my text here. So I just chose like one lighter color and one darker color that matched the background that I had here. And then I'm going to stick with that throughout all of the different stuff here. So if I go over to my text box and I can click, here's the link button now. And so you can actually link to a different slide in your presentation. So maybe I want to link to the next one. In this case, I want to click slide 2 just in case I like add something else after this first slide. I make sure that it's still going to the class norms one, but there might be cases where you want to link directly to the next slide. Oh, that looks weird. Okay, let's see if we can fix that. There. And then hopefully we can change the color. Yeah. Cool, that looks better. Maybe I want to unhighlight it too, or ununderline it. Cool. And then there you have it. Let me know if you have any other questions.